Hi guys, I'm Shmee.
Hey guys, welcome back to the beautiful state of Utah. Some of the most trusted beer, ladies and gentlemen.
That's the dumbest automotive channel.
What up, Snaz fam?
This is something special, you guys.
Hello everybody and welcome back to Autoanorak. Today is a very special day because today we're having our end of year special. This is essentially replacing YouTube Rewind. I know Spot did his YouTube Rewind, but that was all F-Soul stuff. It was very, very good, by the way. This is going to be better than the normal YouTube Rewind because you're going to get to see some of the cool things that have happened during this terrible year that have helped us get through it. So I hope you all enjoy this very much and I wish you all a very happy new year. Welcome to the first Automotive YouTube Rewind. Here we go.
We are finally here, boys. I know it's been a crazy, arduous journey.
What's up guys, welcome to the first official Freedom Factory video at our very own racetrack.
Does somebody owe you $1 million for a McLaren F1 that's in Mexico tied to El Chapo?
very controversial Porsche.
Oh, that's hot. That's hot.
I'm your #1 fan. I'll take it. That's a lie, but I'll...
Forget my fucking mind.
And the car does not start.
Two pipes on the Aventador. Purple is Stradman's color. And I probably should have asked him, and I should have called him and made sure he wasn't going to be upset by it. So let's call him now and ask him.
What's up, dude? How's it going, man? How you been?
I did wrap it a shade of purple. I hope that's okay.
Okay. Like, that's my color, bro. Like, that's sort of what...
Oh.
That's like everything I do.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't think I want you to wrap it purple, bro. Like, I know I unwrapped my car, but... like, it's my thing, like, it's my color, and like...
Yeah.
I just kidding, dude.
He's gonna teach me how to drive stick in an NSX, I believe.
This is our 2005 Lamborghini Gallardo with the Underground Racing 2R package.
Kind of feels like a normal Lamborghini almost, but you're trying to trick me, right? We are picking up one of our absolute all-time dream cars.
I don't know what to think.
If your name's Will Tompkins, you spend 20 odd years of your life building the ultimate version of a Ferrari 250 GTO.
Last video, James challenged me to live in the limo for 24 hours. I don't want to do that. We will see you at 9:53 tomorrow. Appreciate it.
This is not your look.
Earth feels amazing. All right, ladies and gentlemen. We are out of here. We got the siren. Hell yeah. S600, $12,000 exhaust.
There she is. Cold start, baby.
Alright, so let's go surprise door break.
I'm making money, they say trust.
Welcome to today's video.
I don't feel bad for burning it down.
Wow.
Top 16, round 3. Mike Wessa throws it in real right.
I'm giving $1,200 away to the person that does the best burnout in your personal driveway or your personal garage. Let's see what you got.
It's yours.
No, it's not. Stop. No, it's not.
About a year ago on my channel, I started the most ambitious, biggest build I had ever done up to that point. And I promised myself after that was all over that I would never, ever, ever do that again. So this year, I immediately broke that promise. I bought a minivan, so this van was on Pimp My Ride.
Okay, so yes! Yes! I am back here at Rentec Europe for the moment we have all been waiting for.
Put down.
My 2005 Renault Clio, the first car that I ever owned. Well, I've bought it back, kind of. My Renault Clio, which of course... Today is my first taster of some EV range anxiety. Even this, I can tell you, is not a very fast charger.
Well, look, if it can survive the burnout test, it's fine.
Automotive for the first sight of the T50 supercar.
What's going on, everybody? Rob Ferretti here in West Palm Beach, Florida. Welcome to Sorted.
Oh my God!
No, it goes in the water with more fish.
Welcome to Supercars of London.
I've got about 10 minutes into this drive and the Lamborghini has absolutely itself.
When a song got recommended to me on YouTube by Kanye West, this absolute unit shows up on the screen. And all of a sudden, I have a Sherp, so expect some more Sherp content. Thanks for bringing this vehicle to my attention, Kanye.
We're at Jeremy Clarkson's farm with potentially his most prized possession, his Alfa Romeo ETV6. Hopefully I'm going to be able to drive it.
This is a slightly surreal position.
It hasn't exactly gone to plan. Turns out I did not have permission from Jeremy himself. Sorry, Jeremy.
There we go! Yes!
Is what we call a spin out.
Hello one and all, and welcome to Seeing Through Glass. Welcome to my Porsche 911 40th anniversary.
And this is a 1,000 horsepower mom van right here. My Prius is a fucking race car.
Feast your eyes on possibly, most likely, Clayton and I's next exotic car. Oh my God.
Darcy Atlantic. It's a massive door.
What am I missing over here? That is sick.
A Ford Raptor jump.
But it wasn't that good of a jump.
This doesn't feel real to me.
The very first DD hypercar to the channel.
Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Life of Apollo. Home of the most trusted bearded automotive news. We have a Lex Gimbala Mirage GT.
You guys, how much this means to be able to like buy my first V12.
Exactly
Give
25 miles.
25.
This is the new Ford Bronco Bugatti Divo. I do want to say real quick, thank you to everybody for watching my videos this year. And it's so meaningful to me to hear people connect with the videos that way. This is the strangest job in the world. Thank you for watching. Thank you for another great year.
Could not have said it better myself, Doug. I would like to say on behalf of all of the automotive community, all the viewers, thank you so much to every single YouTuber in this video and the people that I missed for all of the amazing content throughout the year. And fingers crossed, my New Year's wish is that this makes it on Life of Palos. That would be ridiculous. And yeah, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in 2021.